General Torre, may violation po ba sa arrest or detention ni former President Duterte?
No, sir.
So to your point, did you allow all of his doctors in or no?
Sir, we have substantial doctor.
It doesn't say here substantial. Ang sabi kasi dito, his choice. Hindi nyo choice i-limit yung doctors niya.
Tangina mo.
Simple ang question ko, did you prevent VP Sara from seeing her father?
Hindi ko dinideny na pinrevent ko si VP Sara na pumasok based on the request of the former president.
Nung nakita ko tong batas na to, nakalagay, pag anak, you cannot stop them from visiting.
Bakla, putang.
Did they certify that he was fit to travel or hindi sila tinanong?
It will be the government doctors who will
No, that's not true, sir. Ang nakalagay ho dito sa batas, it can be his doctors.
Putang ang pangit nito.
It's your call to violate the law. Yan nakalagay sa batas. Magiging inutil yung batas if you invite your doctors and then they cannot certify. Ang aking concern ngayon, kasi ang bata, ang ginagaya, hindi yung salita natin yung gawa. They're watching now. That's why I'm asking all of this because meron din po kayong revised PNP operation procedure. Pati doon, pareho nung batas pero parang hindi nasunod.
Putang ina, kulong.